ever wondered how the T-Rex in a Jurassic Park premium works? Well, in this video, let's take a look at the mechanics to see how the magic is made. We have 2 coils and we have 2 motors. There's one motor that is responsible for horizontal movement, and there's one motor that is responsible for vertical movement. So starting at the top, we have our stepper motor under this heat shield here. Directly to the right here is the stepper motor controller board. This is what drives the stepper motor. When the cam turns, there is a point on the cam that makes contact with this micro switch here, and that is our home or our reference center point when the mechanism is called to move left and right. So this is the entire assembly without any of its stage dressing, right? The actual model. And this is a good view of the linkage in the armature that actually turns the T-Rex left and right. So as it moves, the output shaft cam pushes on this drive arm, which then articulates the entire neck. Underneath that, down here, we have our serial motor driver board down here. We've got the motor that it drives here. We've got our output cam and then 3 micro switches here. And then the driving rod that rotates the T-Rex up and down. So when we call the T-Rex to move, the motor will spin until it stops each of these limit switches, one being down, one being the middle position, and one being the upper position. We're using a serial motor driver board to run the T-Rex motor clockwise and counterclockwise. This allows the motor to be reversed, so it can reach each of those 3 positions. If you weren't using a driver board that allowed for clockwise or counterclockwise rotation, you would be forced to have a motor that only spins in one of those directions. So this allows it to reach or change those positions a lot more elegantly than a single direction motor.